15 Chanakya quotes for success. Chanakya lived in 4th century BC. He was one of the first leadership gurus of India. His ideas on how to identify leaders and groom them to rule a nation has been documented in his most famous book Arthashastra. 15 Chanakya quotes for success. First one, the fragrance of flowers spreads only in the directions of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. Second one, avoid him who talks sweetly before you but tries to ruin you behind your back, for he is like a pitcher full of poison with milk on top. Third one, don't judge the future of a person based on his present conditions, because time has the power to change black coal to shiny diamond. Fourth one, even if a gem be placed on the foot and a mirror on the head, still the gem will not lose its value. Fifth one, there are 3 gems upon this earth: food, water, and blessing words. Fools consider pieces of rocks as gems. Sixth one, purity of speech, of the mind, of the senses, and of a compassionate heart are needed by one who desires to rise to the divine platform. Seventh one, humbleness is at the root of self-control. Eighth one, once you start working on something, don't be afraid of failure and don't be abandon it. People who work sincerely are the happiest. Ninth one, education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. 10th one, before you start some work, always ask yourself 3 questions: why I am doing it, what the results might be, and will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory answers to these questions, go ahead. 11th one, just as a mirror reflects as a man's face, his personality is reflected in his choice of friends. One must always be careful in forming friendships and acquaintances, for one's friends are in a way an extension of one's inner inclinations and tendencies. 12th one, moral excellence is an ornament for personal beauty, righteous conduct for high birth, success for learning, and proper spending for wealth. 13th one, a man who has mercy and compassion for all creatures in religious for sure. He does not require any religious symbol or sign to prove his religiousness. 14th one, a guru who shows his discipline the path of rightness leaves a huge debt. It cannot be paid back, as none of the physical objects is so precious. 15th one, a man is born alone and dies alone, and he experiences the good and bad consequences of his karma alone, and he goes alone to hell or the supreme abode. This is 15 codes of success Chanakya.